Hi, I'm Tim Cole with Austin Reptile Service. I've been working with reptiles and amphibians for over 40 years, and we're going to address the topic of repelling snakes. Snakes are attracted to properties for basically two reasons: food and a hiding place. If you don't provide food and a hiding place, they are not going to be attracted to the property. It's pretty simple. A lot of our snakes will feed on rodents. Rodents are going to take up residence underneath trash piles, log piles, brush piles, old sheds that have a floor that's close to the ground, and things like that. If you remove these items or block these items so that rodents can't get under them, you're not going to have a snake problem. It's that simple. There are no chemical repellents that work on snakes. So it's pretty simple. Keep the yard clear, keep the grass mowed, and the snakes are going to stay away. Whenever we go out on a snake call, people have seen snakes in their yard. If they're going to be seen frequently, we know it's because there's rodents. Otherwise, the snakes are just passing through. So take care of the rodent problem, and you won't have a snake problem.